Hi Aries and welcome to Divine Enchantress. I have to thank you all so much for helping the channel reach its first 100 subscribers. It really means a lot to me. So with all the positive outcome, this is motivating me really genuinely to continue to post for all of you. And let's get started for your May readings. So let's see what's in store for you for mid-May. Now, some of you may know that on Instagram recently I had a poll for giving you options. Now, I gave options for your mid month reading. Now, those options were between money and love, and maximum of you chose the love option to have a romantic reading for mid May. So, I'm going to, respect your majority choice, and let's get started for your May romantic messages as to what love has in store for you. All right, Aries. So, let's get started. Let's shuffle and see what we have in terms of love and relationship for you. And please keep in mind that these readings are totally general in nature, so however it resonates with you, take it, and if it doesn't resonate, I apologize, because these are general, may or may not resonate with all of you. All right, so Aries, for love and relationship, let's see what do we have in store for the month of May 2020. All right, so Aries, and we also will have a romantic message, a lovely love message from the romance angels for you, Aries. So let's see what it is. All right. It is safe for you to love. Open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. Wonderful. All right, let's get into the details, Aries. I hope you all like my new table cover. Now let's see what do we have for Aries. We have the Sun in reversed, as well as the Three of Pentacles in reverse. But it is safe for you to love. Now, romantically, Aries, you must be, for some of you now, as I said, this may not resonate with everyone. So, for those who are single, romantically, you may be in a huge question mark as to, if you should love, if you should invest your emotions in a relationship or not. With the Sun in reverse, I would say in the present situation, you are trying to delay things, Aries, as far as I feel. You're trying to emotionally take, maybe you feel that the person that you are about to invest your emotions in is misleading you, is misguiding you, or is not trustworthy. So however, I say that your feelings are not completely or entirely wrong, because Aries, I feel that you can genuinely sit back and really be acquire more knowledge about this person or relationship before you invest in them, because in the future I do feel that you could be at a standstill, I feel, when it comes to this relationship. So if for some of you all, if you all have doubts about a particular person that is pursuing you, I would say it's good that you're taking your time. I wouldn't completely say that it is, as the messages come, it is safe for you to love. But for Aries, now Aries is a sign which wants to and has to know everything before they make an investment emotionally, because it is up to their it is for them to really know, with, and have no drama, because Aries is like that, which doesn't take drama. So you will be like that, I do not want any future drama, but I just want to honestly know everything about you, so that there is nothing to cry about later. And that is exactly what, maybe you are delaying this relationship or this proposal, or this whole reciprocation. So I would say, even if it is safe for you to love, but still you are a very particular sign, and you are very clean about everything. I am sorry to use that word, but exactly, I know how Aries are, and they could really be sensitive if anything is hidden, or if anything is like sugar coated for them. So that is why, Aries, I feel that even if you are single, then it is good that you're delaying certain commitments, and you are really getting to know before making the higher levels of commitments. And for those who are in a relationship, I do feel that there is going to be in this period, there is going to be a time wherein you are going to have certain amount of disappointments, but you may also need and for those who are in a relationship, now intuitively I feel that just make sure that there is no third person that is trying to, create problems for you, that is trying to, that if the person that you are relying for help or guidance in your relationship is not exactly the one that is, ruining things for you. So Aries, that is my message for you. For singles, take your time, get to know this person very well. And for those who are dating, please get to know the other person, the friend that you are relying for, your guidance or your relationship, because you never know, they could have ulterior motives, or they could create unnecessary expectations in your mind about your partnership, which may not be practical. So Aries, I would say, for those who are in a relationship, please make sure the person who's guiding you, the friend, or the mutuals that are involved, do not involve them too much into your matters, and make sure they are genuine enough to rely on that help for. All right, Aries, so it is safe for you to love, but you have to make sure that you do not involve anyone, and you invest entirely when you are completely mentally, in every way sure about investing in the situation. So thank you so much for watching, Aries, and I hope you all have a very safe, a very lovely time of May. Please keep on subscribing, liking, sending the love, because this is only motivating me to post further. So we will see each other very soon for the June readings, and I have to thank you all again. All right, you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, or my website for any of your personalized sessions or needs. So thank you so much, Aries. Have a blessed day. Thank you.